If you're looking for a compact, feature-packed portable projector, then the XGIMI MoGo 3 Pro might just be the ultimate entertainment companion you need. From stunning picture quality to powerful sound and portability, let's break down everything this projector has to offer. First up, the design. The MoGo 3 Pro is sleek, compact and lightweight, perfect for travel or small spaces. It features a minimalist design with premium materials, making it feel high-end while still being ultra portable. The projector has a USB-C power port, a USB port and a micro HDMI port for connecting devices. It also features a built-in speaker stand, which means it's ready to go straight out the box. In the box you get the projector, a remote, a user manual and a power cable, but you can also buy many other accessories at an additional cost. So here I've got the power bank stand, this really cool optical filter which I'll show you a little bit more later, a carry case which is made from nice leather on the outside and really soft suede material on the inside to avoid scratches. It also features a magnetic pin, which I must say works really well. So XGIMI has you covered in terms of accessories. You've got all you need to watch your favorite movies on the go. With the built-in stand, you can easily adjust the projector angle, but with the power bank stand, you do get a little bit more flexibility, especially as it also powers the projector. Now to set the projector up, just screw the two parts of the tripod stand together, then screw the projector on top. You do need to connect the power stand to the projector using the provided cable, then lift the projector up and just point it towards the wall. It only does turn one way, and as soon as you turn it, it will automatically power on. Startup is quick, so you're not sitting there waiting for it to load like other projectors. This projector runs on Google TV, so it gives you access to apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus and many more. I think it definitely delivers on picture quality. It features full HD 1080p resolution, HDR10 support and a brightness of 450 ISO lumens. So it produces crisp details, vibrant colors and bright image even in moderately lit rooms. It's also got automatic keystone correction and autofocus powered by XGIMI's intelligent screen adaptation ISA 2.1 technology. Your image instantly adjusts for a perfect viewing experience, so no manual tweaking needed. Here you can see a variety of clips from YouTube, and the projector performs really well in all lighting conditions, but is especially stunning with curtains drawn and lights off. As for sound quality, it's surprisingly powerful. The MoGo 3 Pro features dual 5-watt Harman Kardon speakers, delivering rich, clear audio with deep bass. Let's take a listen.
The Russian Far East. On the slopes of the Sakhote Alin, the pristine Asuri taiga is frozen. And likewise Dan Burn is what is happening.
And here's the cool feature, you can actually use this as a standalone Bluetooth speaker. Just connect your phone via Bluetooth and enjoy your favorite playlists even when you're not watching. The remote is premium looking and is very responsive. You also get a few shortcut buttons for quick switching between apps, which is really handy. And with built-in Google Assistant, you can also control the projector hands-free. An interesting feature is that this projector can be powered by any power bank which outputs 65 watts or more. So if you have a power bank at home, you can actually save yourself money as you don't need to buy the power bank stand, and you can still get that cable-free portable experience. So this immersive lens I showed you earlier, you can clip it onto the front of the projector and it creates an ambient and immersive experience which fills your entire room and gives you concert vibes. This would be really cool to have in a kid's room or for a party. The only thing I would have liked to see on this projector would be higher brightness for daylight use. The 450 ISO lumens is good for dimly lit rooms, but if you plan to use the projector in bright environments or during the day without blackout curtains, the image might not be as visible as on some of the higher lumen projectors. This isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but it's something to consider depending on how and where you plan to use the projector. So is the XGIMI MoGo 3 Pro worth it? Absolutely, I think so. For me, it's one of the best products I received last year, simply due to its quality, portability and the accessories available. Whether you're watching movies, gaming or you just need a powerful portable projector, this one delivers big performance in a small package. If you're interested, you can find the link to the projector in the description below where you can support the channel. And if you found this review helpful, consider liking the video, subscribe and turn on notifications to be informed about future videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.